Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to preserve peony blooms for longer lasting flowers. Wait, before your peonies fade too soon, you need to try these simple hacks. Peony season is short, but with the right methods, you can make those gorgeous blooms last days or even weeks longer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to preserve peony blooms longer, whether they are in the garden, in a vase, or in a cold storage, so you can start to enjoy their beauty way beyond their short bloom window. Now stick around till the end for my favorite secret tip. Keep my peony arrangements fresh for up to 40 days. So let's talk about the emotional connection. Why peonies deserve special attention and care. Now peonies, they are the queens of the garden. Every year I wait for that moment when the buds finally burst into full bloom, only to see them fade away within days. I used to feel like I blinked and they were gone, but after experimenting and learning a few artistic tricks, I started to find ways to expand their beauty far longer than I thought possible. These blooms are too special to lose quickly, so let's make them last. Hack number one is harvest peonies at the Marshmallow stage. Now the key to the vase on longevity is harvesting at the mountain jelly. Gently squeeze the bud. Feels like a soft marshmallow, not too tight and not fully open. That's your perfect cutting stage. And this lets the bloom fully open the vase, lasting longer as resisting petal drop. Now, if you cut them when they're fully open, they'll last fast. So please cut them early and you will extend their life dramatically, I promise. To strip the leaves, use clean tools. Always use sharp, clean pruners to avoid introducing any sort of harmful bacteria. Strip the leaves below the water line to prevent the water and bacteria growth. Sturdy water is the #1 cause of quick blue wilt. Clean steps equals happy flowers. Now I've learned that the hard way, unfortunately, and my first birthday were slimy in just 2 days. I never again. It was a really horrible experience. Hack number 3 is use a simple Vase solution. Now fill your vase with cool, clean water. Add a DIY Floral Preservative, and here is my DIY flower from the Preservative. You will need 1 teaspoon sugar for energy, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can use apple cider vinegar, lowers the pH, and a few drops of bleach. This works to kill the bacteria, and this makes, I promise you, keeps the water clear and tint with urines, just like the spa treatment. Pack pour just to change the water daily, and recut the stems. Now every day, change the base water and then release the stems at a 45-degree angle. This helps to reopen the water pathways and it also removes bacteria buildup. I thought this one hack alone can actually double the vase life of my peonies. Pack little vases to store peony buds for later blooms. Yes, you can store peony buds in the fridge to enjoy blooms later. Harvest the buds the marshmallow state and then wet each stem in a dry paper towel. Place in a plastic bag because this is really important, and also remove the air. It's stored flat in the fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. So when it's ready, bring them out, recut stems, and place your fresh water. They'll bloom in a day or 2. And this is how florists have servants ready for weddings not long after the bloom season. Number 6 is shade them in the garden to slow the fading, because the sun is great for growth, but direct afternoon sun can really shorten the bloom life. So use shade cloth, a patio umbrella, or plant them where they get morning sun and afternoon shade. Even a few extra hours of shade can really help those petals stay perky for longer. Now, here's the bonus hack. Refrigerate nightly for longer vase life. Now, if you really want to extend the vase life, pop your vase in the fridge overnight. Just like freshly cut lettuce, peonies stay fresher when they are chilled. I've had peony bouquets last up to 2 full weeks using this simple trick. Now, which of these peony hacks are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorite peony colors too as well. If this has helped you in any way to keep your blooms beautiful, lasting longer, give it a like. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Next week, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a DIY peony arrangements that last for days on your kitchen table. Until then, happy gardening and enjoy every precious petal. Peony season is short, but your blooms don't have to be. I'm also going to talk about how to preserve peonies longer with more simple free hacks for you. So stay subscribed, comment and share. for more flower saving tips and backyard gardening hacks. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.